So if I put earlier was that if the intention of all these energies, because either we are people, can I see energies of all these energies that are gathering around you, because energies that you are perceiving are energies that gather around you. Yota. Or akụgoligba gị okirikiri efoba na ndị na-akọsasị nọ around you, na moto na-agba eli speed around you, na ịmagu mmadụ afụba sign off na mmụọ na-adịrọ mmadụ around the person. So na these energies na-eme ịkụ ọta kịta gather around you. If I chọọ ime, as I mentioned, but I regret. But as I said, now you go just remind yourself, say you go ichikota oragi kita, ichikota oragi in honest, ichikota oragi in honest. Nablo isifani inyego FIFA agaba yota no fun wakiji aga ni na aga gafe na mmili ikpo oragi. If you are constant in on more true ego for each aja idebe nso igba mbọ me ha niile ichikota oragi what the energies that you should now be seeing around you are no more those energies of regret and low energy. Because if those energies in a try convincing, if akogoli na try convincing, let me go to a new voice note. If akogoli and all these low energies na try convincing that your energy is spent, that what they want to convince you, I even tell you, because what you have gone through at a higher age than me is relatable at this young age now. That if those energies choice convince you that you are spent, no where is it for? Say you they spent, now waiting the one convince you of. But that kind of thing no day now. Makana onye nworia bụ just one iruoma, one chioma, one iruoma. Olo aja mmiri ka ikwu na-achụ. Ofu onye mmiri n'ebe anwa na that's your local, like one business, one this thing. Ife gị achakekwa. So no iche imalo just malo na ife ora no idi conscious, because if any na name na spirituality be consciousness. Idi conscious na when you are conscious now what the energies you are seeing around you now, energies that you are not intentional about, I will go and see those energies begging. So when you are conscious that those energies at the moment they want bobo you, they want reduce you, they want less you, they want wine you. It was yafa makana it is a conscious now one with Oria, one with Ezumezu, it's majority. So now onya but the aim of aligning with your aura. Bullying which say you know they spent. Now those energies where they see around you now, we want convince you say they spent. But you know they spent. Me, I know they spent.